As an occupational doctor, these days we have a lot of modern technologies. It can be from the notebook, from the computers, notebooks, from the iPads, from the handphones. Everybody is getting very computer techy these days and very savvy. But we also find a lot of repeated strain injuries happening. It has to do with the way we sit on our table at our workplace. It has to do with the way we look at the computer monitor. A lot of us tend to just sit and type continuously, looking at the monitor without moving or shifting our eye vision. We tend to get a lot of eye strains. So a few good tips you can prevent eye strains are: take short breaks. When you sit in front of the monitor, look at something far, come back to the monitor. Do exercises where you close your eyes, move your pupils. Subconsciously, you can imagine moving it anti-clockwise a few times and move it clockwise a few times. That would help prevent eye strain. Eye exercises that you can do is, like I said, you can look at a far object, look at your near object. Another thing you can do is, follow your finger, look straight, look far, don't move your head, but move your finger to your upper right quadrant, to your lower right quadrant, upper left, lower left. Those all will prevent eye strains. Visual strains, a lot of us don't realize. Your lighting in your table of work where your computer monitor is very important. If your computer light is glaring, you can tone it down, because that eye glare tends to cause you visual strains. The other thing is also where your light is coming in. Make sure it is coming from the proper area where it helps you, so that you don't have to put your computer too bright. Those all trigger off visual strains. Another thing is, try to use the computer or your notebook as much as you can. Don't go down to your iPad or your handphones to do your emails, because inevitably you'll be straining your eyes, because it is so small, right? And you need to focus more. So your eye muscles tend to strain more when they're focusing at a small area. Those are ways you can prevent visual strains. The other thing a lot of patients come with is neck strain, muscle strain. So that is because of poor sitting position. A lot of people, especially men, tend to slouch onto their chair when they do the computer work. And that tends to give a lot of backaches, upper neck pains, your trapezius hurts. So having short breaks, doing certain exercises like, tilting your head right to left, looking down, moving all around, or just even using your hands and pulling it to the back that way, and both sides will prevent a lot of muscle strains on your back. If your sitting position is bad, you get a lot of low back pains. What you can do is learn to sit straight, don't slouch, so that prevents backaches. If you feel your chair is not accommodating to your back, always use a small pillow between your back and the chair rest. That would help preventing low back pains.